Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a little video of me distressing my life and my skin. So with that said, I am excited to be partnering with Glamglow in this video. And I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit about this moisturizer, and I'm going to be showing you guys and telling you about my distressing routine, things I like to do to, just chill out at the end of the day, relieve some stress, calm down, and just chill. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a little moisturizer. This one is by Glamglow. This is their newest moisturizer. They just launched this and it is called MOISTURETRIP. And I just wanted to give a little bit of information about this moisturizer. So MOISTURETRIP is an omega rich moisturizer and it is Glamglow's newest innovation in skincare. So this is like one of their newest products they just launched. So I'm going to be applying this on camera and I'll be talking about it as I go. So I'm just going to take a little bit, just like that. I'm just going to dot it on my face. Boom, boom. So this does have three main ingredients that kind of makes up what it is. So this is a cannabis sativa seed oil infused lightweight moisturizer, and this can be used day or night. And this moisturizer provides relief from daily skin stress such as redness, irritation, dryness, blue light exposure, and also environmental aggressors. And so I'm just applying it. It just feels very smooth. So what I like about this is it's not super thin, not super watery. So I can feel this more on my skin. It doesn't just absorb, it doesn't just soak right in. It doesn't just like disappear. Which I like that because I feel like it's still on my skin. It's still like working. It's, it's doing its job. It's moisturizing. Because I just feel like personally moisturizers that just soak right in, it's like, boom, they're gone. You don't have that glow. You don't feel like your skin is still, glowy and moisturized, because when it's glowy, that means it has moisture in it. I do have redness right here, as you guys can see. I actually don't know what it is. I have been trying to figure it out. I need to go to the dermatologist. I have been trying to figure it out, but as you guys will see, this does help a little bit with my redness. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more here, so you guys can see the redness kind of just like soften up. And also I do have sensitive skin sometimes to like touch. So that's why I'm the perfect candidate for this moisturizer, because I do have sensitive skin. I do have dry skin sometimes. Sometimes it's normal, sometimes it's dry. But it can get dry. And when it comes to like me touching my face or trying new products, my skin is sensitive. It does turn red. And all that. But with this moisturizer, none of that happens. Alright, so I'm going to go down the list of three ingredients that are the main ingredients inside of this moisturizer. These are the most important ingredients as well. First off, we're going to start with cannabis sativa seed oil. So this is an omega-3, 6, and 9 rich oil. So what that does is that just helps nourish the skin's barrier. It reduces any redness and also calms any irritation that your skin may have. Next is chaga mushroom, or chaga. So this is an antioxidant rich superfood, and this helps soothe your skin. And this also helps protect against any blue light exposure. And the third ingredient that I'm going to talk about is the hyaluronic acid. So what this does is this floods the skin with a dose of long lasting moisture, and this instantly replenishes any depleted skin as well. So this moisturizer is great for really all skin types, especially people who are dry, people who have irritated skin, and people who have visual redness, like I said, myself. So I know a lot of you are wondering, MOISTURETRIP is vegan. It is fragrance free, so there is no scent to it, nothing that will bother your skin, or if you're sensitive to any perfumes or fragrances. It's also silicone free, non-psychoactive, and it is non-intoxicating. So the way you want to apply this is with a clean face, obviously like you do any skincare. So as you guys seen me apply it, you just do it to your face. You can also do it to your neck, because the neck is important because that does age. Dryness does help your skin age, so it's great to keep your skin always moisturized, always hydrated, all that. So you definitely want to bring it down the neck. That's something a lot of people don't remember or don't think about, is the neck. So now that we talked about my skin being distressed, I'm going to talk about my life in general, like how I just in general de-stress. So one thing that I like to do is at the end of my day, I like to turn on my hue lights, which are lights that just turn different colors. You can adjust them, brightness, colors, whatever. I have like 5 of them in my apartment, so I like to take those, adjust them, turn them down low. I like to turn them different colors. So my color scheme that I like personally the most is like pink, blue, and purple. I like to have those. Those are more relaxing to me, more calming. I have just started listening to Odessa on Spotify. So sometimes I'll put that on and just lay down on my couch, just watch TV, put something on, and get on my phone and chill. Or I'll just watch TV. Or if I'm not watching TV, I'll just put on music and chill on my phone. Or I like to also color. That also helps me calm down. That just like distracts me, relaxing, easy to do. So on top of the hue lights, I also like to put on a diffuser. So I like to put in essential oils into the diffuser. That just puts the oils into the air, and these oils have different meanings, different purposes, I guess. One of my favorites are lavender. That one helps you calm down. It helps with any headaches or anything you have. Just smelling that lavender in the air really helps you relax. And on top of all that, I also like to do masks. So obviously the skin is on top of your body. It also has a lot of stress, pollution, everything touching your face. You know, when you just shower, you like to feel very clean. You just feel more relaxed. So I like to shower, take a hot shower, and then I will do face masks. And then after your face mask, this is really good for like a post face mask moisturizer because it doesn't just go away, it doesn't absorb. So it's kind of boosts your skin's glow when you're done, and it will reduce any like visible redness from any masks or anything like that. So obviously this is also travel friendly. So when you're traveling different states, countries, whatever you're doing, you definitely want to keep moisturized because different climates have different dryness, and your skin really takes like an impact when you're flying up super high. You definitely get really dry, so this is really good to take with you when you're traveling. Definitely keep moisturized, like literally all the time. That's one of the most important things to do to your skin, is keep it moisturized. Alright guys, so that is pretty much a little bit about how I distress that in my day, things that I do, things that you could try out as well. And if you guys do end up trying any of these things out, definitely let me know. Leave comments down below. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, so if you guys want to check out Glamglow or this moisturizer or anything, I'll have some links down below. You guys can click on it and check it out, purchase whatever you'd like to do. Alright guys, so if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Deuces.